Let's be honest. You cannot trust yourself with YouTube anymore. You open YouTube to learn something. Maybe you're eating something and you want to be entertained. You want to learn something quickly. And you end up getting sucked into this news, this geopolitics drama, and whatever the hell is going on in different parts of the world, which neither impacts you, neither impacts your goals, accomplishment, dreams, or neither you can do anything about it, right? So why is that? Is the app designed to do that? Or are you just do not have enough willpower? The answer is hard to answer, and let's not waste time answering the question. Let's think about your goals. You have goals to accomplish, right? And YouTube algorithm is designed to keep you there, right? And you have to make a decision for yourself that do I want to accomplish my goal predictably and with consistency, and what that needs to be done. But now I'm not going to go into direction of like banning YouTube and not opening. You already know that, right? And you should be using less or something. You already know that. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is that you have these habits and the novelty craving is real. Like you want to consume something new. You want to be updated. You want to be informed. You get these dopamine hits when you consume novel information, right? What I'm suggesting is that at least on the weekdays, you can replace this novelty craving with something more productive, something that's more attentional, that helps you. When I did that, I'm speaking from the experience, right? And I have not opened YouTube from a while now, and never on the weekdays from last 6 months, right? And it has been very transformative for me. And I replaced the craving of YouTube or learning something new and entertaining at the same time with something that I'm about to show you, right? And it does the same thing. It is satisfying. You learn something and it energizes you. It keeps your energy increasing. So, like with YouTube, like you consume YouTube or you consume any other social media, right? After 2 hours, you feel drained. And day kind of like shrinks, like you have a smaller day. But with this, as you consume it, let's say on your lunchtime with 15-minute break, your day will kind of expand because the linearity of the thought will be maintained. Like let's say you focus on hiring and management. From last 6 months, I was solely focused on hiring and management, right? And just learning about it and doing it. And the YouTube was kind of like pulling me away from it. And I found that the days I'll open the YouTube, those days kind of become nothing. Like there will not be anything meaningful to show for it. Right? I will do my regular responsibilities as planned, but I would not be able to make any progress in hiring and management. So what I did is that in my lunchtime, I replaced what was like meeting, talking to people, or watching YouTube and eating my lunch with Notebook LLM and eating lunch. And I'm going to show you how it looks. So what you go is you can see on my screen here, not this one. Where is it? There it is. Okay, there we have it. Okay, you can see it. So, as you can see, this is hiring and management. What I would do is I will go here. It can create videos like this. You can see it's 22 days created ago. And it kept these videos, right? It can play the videos. So what you do with Notebook LLM is you give them all the resources. You give it all the videos that you are interested about learning. You give it all the PDFs, documents, all the blogs, articles. You can add anything here. You can just click add here and you can add any website, any YouTube. You can copy paste text. You can add some Google Drive folders that the insights you have gathered, the transcripts of the interviews, good interviews, bad interviews, and everything. You can feed it everything here, right? And then what you do is you click here on create. Let me shrink the video overview, right? And you give it something like, okay, What are the obvious mistakes to avoid when pre-qualifying talent? Right? And you can you can select auto select, you can select classic, whiteboard, retro, papercraft, anything, right? And click generate, and the video will start being generated here. And it will be ready in like 2-3 minutes, something like that. And then you can play it like this, right? And it's a really, really good video, right? The audio is also very good. So yeah, this is like about talent. Talent is a recurring pattern of thought, feeling, or behavior that can be productively applied. Not talent is not inherent that you already have it, right? So I learned a lot about hiring and management with this very fast. And this does not replace YouTube or maybe long form lectures by Stanford or something that you could find, or books that need to be read, but it gives you foundational information to work with, right? So you could be more productive in your time, right? And I started doing that. So it creates like videos for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you can watch these videos while having your lunch, right? And you can give it the problem that is currently is your highest priority. Like that's the number one thing that you want to do. You can consume information about that, and it will be transformative for you. Very transformative. Like I could say I learned hiring management quite quickly, and requires a lot of patience, right? It's not like some hack you can master. It requires a lot of patience, and you gotta be able to learn to be self-aware, aware about people's feelings, learn to see what talent is. Talent is not a certificate. Talent is the enduring thought pattern person already has. The highways of thinking the person already has, right? And seeing talent as a different way. Like you cannot apply the way you do reflection on yourself. You cannot apply the same kind of metrics to judge other people or talent, right? And that's a mistake all of us do in hiring. And that was the common theme I was learning, right? So yeah, this is it. If when you start doing that, your novelty craving will be satisfied. You will not waste time learning about geopolitics news, which YouTube algorithm is biased to tell you all the time. And I'm not saying you should ban YouTube. You can still watch YouTube. Let me show you something. So you can, as you can see, I will try to open YouTube here. Boom, and I cannot. See, it's blocked by cold turkey. So that's the thing you could also do. You can just block the YouTube for the weekdays, and on weekends you can watch. It's not a big deal. You can keep yourself informed and updated, whatever you want, right? But during the week, I highly encourage you to just abstain yourself from using any kind of social media, any kind of YouTube, and there are various YouTube AI tools that can just go through all the internet, right? Find relevant sources for you and summarize the information that you need to put the next step forward. And it's like just putting one step after another and being consistent with your progress, right? And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you found this valuable, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.